Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. So today we have build 25197 that rolled out to Windows Insiders. And this build, well, it contains a little bit of stuff. One of them is the ability to have taskbar behaviors for tablets. So if you have touch interaction with a computer or a tablet, you can actually optimize the taskbar so that things are easier for you to use. Apart from that, there are some system tray updates where the icons rearrange even in the desktop environment. So if anything that has to do with the taskbar and the system tray and the icons and all of that, they're kind of playing around with the settings and playing around with the different options here. Not, minor things. They are, of course, now looking at animations within the different options of the settings. So when you move from one setting to the next, now you have this little animation of a panel that's moving up to bring up the settings that you want and so on. So they're playing with animations here and different settings menu and so on. There's a little bit of playing with transparencies also. So if you're using the light mode, you might see more transparencies, more like a frosted glass effect, kind of increased defrosted glass. Kind of reminds you in some ways of Aeroglass and Vista. And that's pretty much what we have in here. They have fixed a lot of things, including a lot of the things about the icons, both in the system tray and the different icons in the taskbar that would overlap or have all sorts of weird things happening to it. So lots of fixes there. They also fixed a crash where some were seeing when using the start recommended section, there would be some crash happening. So lots of other fixes also if you had some issues, but that's pretty much it. As for my install, it went well. The usual roughly an hour from the download to the finish, and everything's there and working. I haven't used it a lot yet, of course, because it's just now that I started playing around, but seems to work well and not have really any issues or particular issues for now. So it's, a new build and a little bit of stuff. If you have tablets, check it out. I've seen a report saying that the tablet mode is kind of buggy and doesn't work that well. And not everybody's having it right now also, that A/B testing, and there's the rolling out in phases, of course, of different options. So if you don't see it now, you'll eventually see it probably within the next days or weeks. And, of course, this is the continuation of seeing things that might or might not make it, but it's incredible how slow the progress of Windows 11 development is. And kind of tells us, I ranted in a video about how 22H2 doesn't address much of what people complain about. Doesn't have that many new features for, a full year of playing around and having a full year of tweaking the system. And we continue now, and I just can't see next year the moments with a lot of stuff in it, because obviously there's really not much that they are doing right now again. So it's kind of weird. It's almost as if they don't want to fix it or something. And maybe that's a hint of Windows 12, I would guess. I don't know. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.